Hey, how's it going guys? AG2Byte here, and Microsoft held its Surface event on October 2, or as per the Indian time zone, on October 3 in New York City, and unveiled the successors in the Surface lineup. So this video is going to be a kind of combination of everything that they announced. So let's go. Okay, so in no particular order, the first thing I want to talk about is the Surface Pro 6. Essentially, this is a spec bump to the last year's Surface Pro. They upgraded to the 8th gen processors and they announced a 13.5-hour battery life, but rest all of it remains the same design, the same ports, but there's a new matte black theme going on the Surface devices, which is a throwback to the original Surface Pro. The Surface Pro 6 starts at about $900. Next, they announced the Surface Laptop 2, and this was the device that I was most excited to listen about. I mean, if there was a device called Excitometer, my excitement level would be this. So a year ago when Microsoft first came out with the Surface Laptop, it became an instant hit. A lot of people liked it, including the critics, and overall there was just a general trend of thumbs up for Microsoft because of Surface Laptop. I am a huge fan of the Surface Laptop series in general, and thus I obviously was very excited to listen about that. Now a year later, Microsoft just upgraded the processors to 8th gen processors and doubled the RAM on the base variant from 4 gigs to 8 gigs. But that was all. They did not introduce Type-C on it. They have the same screen resolution, the same 3:2 aspect ratio, the same design, and essentially the same ports. The battery condition is also the same. They claim up to 14.5 hours of battery time, which is really good. The Surface Laptop 2 starts at about $1,000. The next hardware that they announced was the Surface Studio 2, and honestly speaking, this could be the most significant upgrade from the last generation. So the last year's Surface Studio was one of its kind of computer. It was good in a lot of terms. It has that crazy adjustable screen, but it fell short in appeasing the critics in terms of performance. So this year they literally upgraded almost everything in it. So the new Surface Studio 2 houses an Core i7 8th gen processor, no room for Core i5 here, 1 or 2 terabyte of SSD storage, GTX 1060 or 1070 GPU depending on the various configurations, and a Thunderbolt Type-C port. Honestly speaking, this could be the best looking and best performing all-in-one computer in Windows for a very long time. It starts at $3,500. I mean, yeah, that is a huge price, but what are you gonna do? The last and rather unexpected device that was launched was the Surface headphones. And these are the first ever pair of headphones from Microsoft in the Surface series. They literally gave me goosebumps. I mean, the design is obviously very cool and modern and clean, but I was blown away by the fact that they had adjustable noise cancellation up to 13 levels. Once again, adjustable noise cancellation up to 13 levels. Now, I don't think, I may be wrong here, but I don't think any other headphone lets you do that, and the Surface headphones start from a $350 price tag. Okay, so those were the announcements from the Microsoft Surface event, starting from the Surface Pro 6 to Surface Laptop 2 to Surface Studio 2, and rather unexpectedly, the Surface headphones. Yeah, that's basically it. Okay, hope you guys liked it. Thumbs and subs if you did, and feel free to share this video with at least 3 of your friends. See you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.